Now, in Delhi, the last 1 week when I've been on ground speaking to Delhiites on the issue of freebies, I sought to find out what they think about it. And these are largely middle class, upper middle class Delhiites that I spoke to. All of them frustrated, angry, and don't know what to do, considering every political party has resorted to this type of politics. Let's get you some of the voices from the average Delhiite.
कैलिबर को बनाइए, ना कि आप उनको डेवलप करिए कि जिससे वो कुछ काम कर सके, ना कि फ्री में बांटा। उस फ्री से मिडिल क्लास सबसे ज्यादा पिसता है और जो लोअर क्लास है वो काम करना छोड़ देता है और उससे क्राइम रेट भी हाई होगा। जब आप काम नहीं करोगे तो आप क्राइम करोगे।
पर क्या आपको लगता है कि जितने भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है वो सब सेम चीज ऑफर कर रहे हैं, कुछ अलग ऑल्टरनेटिव जैसा नहीं है? लगता है
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि जैसे ये जो स्टार्ट किया ना, ये केजरीवाल जी ने स्टार्ट किया फ्रीबीज। केजरीवाल जी ने उस फॉर्मूले पे 10 साल से वो सत्ता में है, ठीक है जी। अब सब उसको अडॉप्ट करते जा रहे हैं, सबका ध्यान है फ्रीबीज पे। एक पार्टी ने शुरू की, सब उस पे शुरू हो गए हैं। सबको फ्री दे रहे हैं, बिजली फ्री दे रहे हैं, पानी फ्री दे रहे हैं। बिजली फ्री और पानी फ्री दे के हम लोगों पे सारा बाहर डाल रहे हैं। हर चीज में जीएसटी, हर चीज में टैक्स, हम इतना इनकम टैक्स
आपसे लेते हैं, उनको देते हैं।
हमारे दर्द को पूछिए ना।
आप इंडस्ट्रीज में जाओ, ओखला इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट में मेरी फैक्ट्री है, आज 24 रुपए यूनिट रेट है उसका। कितना? 24 रुपीज पर यूनिट। आप 1 किलोमीटर नोएडा जाओ, नोएडा इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट में रेट क्या है? 4 रुपया 70 पैसे पर यूनिट। इतना डिफरेंस। आप बताओ तो ये सारा 200 यूनिट आप फ्री दे रहे हो तो हम दे रहे हैं ना, तुम क्या दे रहे हो?
मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो फ्री की रेवड़ियाँ बांट रहे हैं ना, ये मिनिस्टर मंत्री अपनी तनख्वाह लेना बंद कर दें, उस फंड से पब्लिक के लिए कुछ करें। ये तो डायरेक्ट खरीद रहे हैं हमारे पैसे, हमारे टैक्स पेयर हम हैं, हमारे पैसे से आप वोट खरीद रहे हो। खुले आम कोर्ट भी देख रहा है कि 2,500 देंगे वोट दो में।
You can say that really to stay in Delhi is a very difficult job nowadays. You see that traffic jam. You see that no other facilities are there. They are doing for that electricity free, water free. What is that? What is the use for that one?
No use. Nothing in Delhi.
Yeah, they are taking from the middle class people and giving to the poor people. That is not the way. Yeah. They should do it everything equally.
Of the current government, what do you think of the work they've done? Are you happy with what's happened in the last few years?
Not much, little bit. Okay. Because every person needed some money. So this is the basic thing. Every person is giving money and money. Correct. Who is giving more money, he will win it.
Which is sad. You think the freebies is...
Of course, this is too sad. We all are the taxpayers. Taxpayer means we want to see development.
Yeah, of course.
The politician and the present government. Present government means AAP government. AAP government is totally based on freeship. His chief minister and ministers has no value. Value means they don't want development in the capital. This is the capital. But the record of the world capitals, it is registered the most polluted capital of the world.
Yeah.
We want to ask our chief minister why it is so. We the taxpayers condemn the AAP government for his free seat.
मैं तो ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि दिल्ली से या पूरे इंडिया से मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी सरकार कभी भी फ्री व्यवस्था नहीं करनी चाहिए। इतनी फ्री होनी चाहिए, माने बीजेपी हो या कांग्रेस हो, ये पॉलिटिकल जो है ना, ये अपना वोट बैंक के लिए ये लोग कर रहे हैं। ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए।
Do you think very often, ma'am, that as voters, as the public, you're punished? If it's air pollution, you're punished with restrictions. If it's freebies, you're punished because your money is being used to fund these freebies. Do you feel that that is an issue that must be addressed?
Well, I don't know about freebies, etc., because I'm talking from a certain class where we pay our taxes. Yeah. So as a result, we want certain returns, right? Yeah. And that's not happening.
Whatever freebies they give, any of the party, they have to understand it's not their money. It's a tax money. There is no incentive for the taxpayer. They end up having a pothole. They end up having a bad air. They end up having a bad urbanization. Is a penalty to pay a tax. You are not incentivizing the people who are paying a tax. At least think about that.
When your money, and this is obviously your money, taxpayers' money, right, that's going for funding political parties, freebies, and their schemes, obviously, to bring them to power. I mean, it's not about what that money is used for, but do you feel that, that money could have been used for infrastructure, that money could have been used for developing my area, and that doesn't happen?
Definitely. I definitely feel that all this system of we want to give 2,500 rupees, we want to give every party competing with that, it's like almost a bid. I think it's something that we don't support at all. For Delhi elections, there should be growth, there should be development. If you create growth opportunities, you will create employment, you automatically better the status of the people you want to work for. But don't keep distributing free things, you're just making them redundant. MCD doesn't have enough infrastructure to keep picking it up, cleaning the dhalaus. We've been asking to close the dhalaus. It's a mess. And totally, Akshata, I feel this should be, when an MLA is coming to us for these elections and they want our participation, you want us to vote, someone should say that this is what we are going to do for you. आप हमें 2,500 rupees मत दीजिए, हमें एक promise तो दीजिए.
But do you feel also
safety का promise दीजिए, roads resurfacing का promise दीजिए, एक promise हमारे लिए भी करिए, हम भी, we are also somewhere, we matter, we want to know whether we matter or not, or we are only meant to pay taxes. I want to understand that today. That what is our status? Do we have any importance? Or we are going to be just shunned as privileged people?
Yeah. And this privilege comes with a handicap, clearly.
But I think our condition is worst. They're at least heard, something's at least done.
जबरदस्त गड़बड़ है सारी हेराफेरी करके जीत जाते हैं लोग.
कुछ भी नहीं, रोडों का कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं दूर हुई, चाहे वो केजरीवाल हो चाहे वो हो, हमारे लिए कोई नहीं है. ये गरीब गुप्ते के लिए सब कुछ है. बस उनको पैसा दे ही चलो, सब काम करी चलो.
फ्री में सब कुछ दे रहे हैं.
जो हमारा मीडियम तबके का जो है हम मर रहे हैं.
बीजेपी बोल रहे हैं कि हम इतना पैसे देंगे महिलाओं को, आप बोल रहे हैं कि इतना पैसा. अच्छा, आप तो हंस रहे हो, मजे क्यों?
क्या वो हर रोज देगा या हर महीने देगा?
जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है हमको.
अच्छा,
जो वो देगा वो 5,000 दे, 10,000 दे, 3,000 दे, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्योंकि जब हम खुद कमाते हैं, हमारा खुद का पैसा बचना चाहिए जिससे हम कमाते हैं. वो तो हम इतनी मेहनत से कमाते हैं और वो इतनी महंगाई करके उसको सब ठिकाने लगा देता है.
Do you think also on the issue of freebies, like sir mentioned, do you feel disappointed when every political party speaks of it?
I think they're needed because, yes, of course, the poor people are able to travel. They get electricity. They are very happy. And I'm also very happy. At least the electricity doesn't go. Our generators are lying idle.
We are okay with welfare. Freebies is money, but now it is a competitive thing.
Correct.
Between all parties. So who do you choose? First thing, वही जैसे statehood के लिए पहले बोलते हैं, हर चीज के लिए we want political parties to have a binding manifesto.
What about you, sir? What do you think of all this?
I think freebies are not required at all.
Okay.
Only education and health. Yes. When you are giving something to someone, you are not giving it out of your own pocket. It is basically a taxpayer's money. And somehow we are paying extra to subsidize something. Limit to healthcare. Give proper healthcare to each and every person, to those who require. Give proper education to the children. Let them go for higher studies. Fund them. But Not like this, somebody saying he will give you 2100, the other says 2500. Next somebody will say, I'll give you 10 crores and give me all the votes. This cannot happen.